today is a very sad day because I'm going back to Kingston. My team's gonna miss me, aren't you? But yeah, I watch something almost every day. Every day. Every day, like, when you come back. But me, I go home arena fall. Me and baby go out. I'm gonna follow me. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Cause I'm out. You have any final words to say to them until next time?
Big up.
This so big up, so?
Big up.
I just said big up. So he come right in time so she can come in the vlog before I leave. Oh, yeah. Come like say up to say catch me now.
Yeah.
Alright, any last words you want to say to them before I leave?
Bye guys. Hope I see you next time.
You tired?
Yeah.
Why?
No.
Can you just walk up the hill? She tired.
We got Nuki and
Nuki daughter.
Nuki daughter.
And she'll see you again. When I come? Whenever I come back.
Again.
Bye, sweetie. Then I forgot my Christmas cake and story. I never know some. I never show the story in the vlog, you know. Yeah, we had the story.
Bye.
Bye. So, yeah. General, you're not saying the final words to my vlog.
Well, we can't on the road right now, no.
That you will buy? I just.
Respect on us what I meant, you see.
Yeah, true. Price in the sauce, so price will come out shortly. Because price like have the music there. And come to me. So now me out now. Smells so good, you guys. Smells so good. You the Marcus in there? You the Marcus? So when you come out, you make him reason with you. A little bit. Price, I say stay?
We're good. We're not fresh.
But you normally fresh number vlog then?
No, but worse, no. You see, I'm here things are gone.
Any final ways you want to tell them?
Big up on yourself.
So
the next one.
Whenever I come back.
Whenever you fall back, soon, you see, link up.
Look at me. So babe, they're downstairs, I ordered the food for us. So I'm there upstairs, like I just get one table for we and I'm just away from them. As per usual, I'm after showing them food. And yeah, after that now, you see him came in the previous vlog, I buy a cane because the cane is sweet. I carry it home. Or by the time it's fidget for me, we reach home. My brother wanted to do. And baby will give me, give me organ, so and all of them somewhere, and I'm just jump on one taxi and go home. So I'm going to my food. So yeah. You guys, the food is here and babe's eating. So I'm indulging my food right now. Yeah. So I go indulge on a burger. Can I burger? Jerk burger? Jerk burger. I like it. And yeah. So I see you guys when I'm leaving, because me and baby sign say that. So yeah.
So now you cut
Yeah.
go early.
You hear me? Badness.
No, not badness. We don't want to go up late. In a night business, don't want to travel on the road too late. Safety we are talking about.
I'm very full of Alice. You see, I'm loving sometime. Remember in our previous vlog, you said about if we go fine, he left me. And then, he left me. He left me. Food done and everything. So, have enough juice for you. A Sprite. So, time for hit the road, you know? You know, miss me?
Of course.
Love me?
Always.
So you go like say, cha, cha.
Man a general.
Me a general too.
Yeah, but man a general.
Alright, yeah. So I'll talk to you guys shortly again. So just kind of come in for check out on you guys out. So yeah. You guys, my day now post now. Going. When you would imagine I would just get journey. Let's journey to Africa. You guys, my just reach like just reach Now me I go back on the road, I go buy dinner from my father. I don't know if I buy dinner for me, because I eat already with babe. But I might buy something for myself. My phone I get like a charge. And about to leave. So join with me.
Oh, but I have on sneakers today, so I feel like choosing the stairs. Yeah. So we went down to a Chinese restaurant downstairs.
I just reached Sovereign, so I go find a Chinese food restaurant and buy something to eat for my father, and then me go home. Yeah. Yes, you guys, I just reach I buy island grill from my father. I never buy because I buy it to babe earlier, and I'm gonna buy. Come a long time I buy a famous bowl, so I buy one famous bowl. You know, I'm showing them instead of telling them, I'm showing them. Yes, I bought the famous bowl with barbecue chicken and my favorite corn and cob with grape soda. Hi you guys, how are you guys doing today? Well, as per usual, as you know, I reached home late yesterday. Yeah, I reached home late yesterday, so you know, so I couldn't end the vlog. I'm kind of tired. Although, okay, you know, if you dip on my snap, you're gonna know what happened, right? So, I never want to just cut the vlog so without even talking to y'all. I basically come on this. I can't remember the name who comment and say I'm always saying the word basically. Actually, you know, basically. So, yeah, come on this like practically, basically, end the vlog. So, before I end the vlog, you know what I always do. Always give my post notification shout out. Today's lucky post notification shout out goes to why me? Oh yeah, DJ Squeeze. Yeah, DJ Squeeze. Big up yourself. Come on, always see a comment. I'm gonna say all I'm pan snap and me text pan snap. And I'm telling you for I'm pan snap to you know. Cause like you know something you want to chat to me. I'm always there to come and love chat sometimes. Yeah. So DJ Squeeze I'm pan snap and my system always active on my channel and my watch and my comment and all of them so I say, no man, you deserve a post notification shout out this week. So the lucky viewer. The post notification shout out goes to DJ Squeeze. Big up yourself, DJ Squeeze. Thanks for watching. Somebody messaged me. Thanks for watching. And I hope you continue to watch and comment and do all of them nice something there. And if you would like a post notification shout out, I never tell you one for do already. Like my video them. Subscribe. Comment. But if you want, you can also add me on Snapchat. Because I'm mostly on Snapchat. Alright, if you want to talk to me and you want to talk to me, like if you want me to reply faster, Snapchat. If you're missing me on Instagram, it'll take a little couple hours. Snapchat, I'm still at the same time. So, yeah, I'm on Snapchat. Add me on Instagram. All the names are in the description box below. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the vlog as per usual. Not to worry, even though I'm home, I'll still be doing vlogs for y'all. Doesn't mean like the vlogs ended because I'm home. I know more country and babe and Paisa and Kayla and Suki and everybody. Yeah, them there so my there so. But I still got a vlog here so you guys can see what I'm doing when I'm in Kingston. So yeah, so my anything to say. My sister, you guys like when we talk and them something there with me and Pice. What reason? I like that. So if you guys have any more topics you know want to talk about, like I'm gonna go back, which will be soon. We go back, we can talk about them. And yeah. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. And like what I always say, I'll see you guys in my next upload. And yeah. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye, you guys. Peace.